camera famed. Sterling is just too far for the cameras. So whose goal was it then? Well, I think it's Sterling's. It's too fast for the cameras. Give it to Sterling. I want a hat-trick. 9717223344 is the number to call. Let's go to big time.
Hell, another one.
Yeah, very good, thank you.
Oh dear.
Liked his Instagram post, which I just find ridiculous. So yeah,
fucking doing.
So just how what a catalyst it was, really, for Manchester United going on a run type. So let's have a chat about that. Matt Scott joins us as well, talking about the money list, the rich list in football. It's been a bit of a mix up. And a couple of stories from Holland.
Odie's again.
City target. He's gone to Barcelona. Officially, a bit of a player.
Fucking hell. Fucking Odie.
No influence whatsoever as a captain. It wasn't me, that's high in sugar and high in salt. And the idea is for there to be less pressure on children and families to eat and buy this unhealthy.
Let's do it because it's a cold day in December. You think, oh, shall I go out for half an hour today, do those free kicks? Might not bother today. And the people that say, I might not bother today, don't end up doing it. But Ronaldo goes out every single day and does it. David Beckham went out every single day.
Fucking hell.
You misunderstood. I'm not saying this is their best chance for the however long, really. I mean, a long time. As long as I've been working there, 8 years I've been working in Newcastle. This is the best they've been in terms of the setup. And I think there's worry in Newcastle that will go out the window if Rafa walks away. So they have to back him this summer, and they have to back his judgment. That's what he's getting paid for. What did he do? What was when he went into the club? What has he changed in the short term when he first got it, and what has he done over the past season that's made the difference? Well, it's been really interesting. So obviously the book's called Inside the Revolution, which kind of implies, you know, a huge change. I think there has been a huge change in mindset. But what he actually did was a really, I think, sort of easy.
Football plays like this one. Chucky, put it on the face, man. We got it at Selco. Selco is where the train goes. Looking for a wide range of basketballs? Well, Selco's got it.
What a fucking dick.
Selco's got it. One trade prices too. Yep, Selco.
Oi, oi, have I got a cheeky little offer for you? Certain bets will match or beat our major competitive odds on Premier League first goal scorers. So go to sunbets.co.uk and...
Hey you! Get off the pitch!
Sorry, Rick.
Well, 11 o'clock Sunday morning, and amazingly it's a huge success. I've only ever managed to get to one 11 AM Sunday. I'm in bed for crying out loud. What are you going to do getting up and going to a football ground at 11 o'clock on a Sunday morning? But, you know, it's putting in a family audience, so it seems to be working. Catch you next week, thanks a lot. Look forward to it. Cheers. There we are, Tim Vickery on the line. I think in the league right now is still fairly static. We may see a very big difference over the next 4 or 5 years as VAR gets established and how it gets enforced and makes changes. But at least it's something we know about. It's not one of the hidden things or something I don't change, and then you're trying to figure out why does the world work differently.
Just finally, Andy was going earlier on the old expected goals metric. I mean, where do you stand? Are you a fan, Ted?
For just £139, saving £60. Buy now at toolstation.com or from one of our 300 branches. Get a helping hand from Toolstation, your best mate for the job. Things are looking busy on the roads. Dykes want you to feel good about driving in any conditions. That's why we've created our Drive Safe Everyday Spectacle Lenses.
First sitcom in this country, you get 6. So then that's to tell you whether it's going to be. Well, that's the thing. 22, they, you know, I suppose you kind of got a chance to establish the characters and stuff. But if it's a long, if it's not working for whatever, it must be quite a long time.
But all the great ones, if you watch the pilot episode of Seinfeld, all the characters are established right from the word go. Sure. Why they is what they are.
You know, Seinfeld is big.
And in sports, United legend lends big backing to Mourinho.
The FA has joined growing calls to relax the law decide whether to offer safe standing, which hasn't been possible since 96 Liverpool fans died in the Hillsborough disaster. Former Crystal Palace owner Simon Jordan has told Talk Sport patient advocates posing comments and former
What's your stance on this? The caravan when the teams play their kind of reserves. What's your stance?
I'm surprised Leeds have made so many changes. They're in a great run of form.
Minutes into the game, he was substituted by Craig Levine, and when he was asked about it afterwards, said the strikers' 32 minutes on the pitch were, quote, unacceptable. He also said, this is publicly, he has said, this isn't leaked out. I thought he was rubbish, he wasn't playing well, wasn't holding the ball up, he then got himself booked, and I thought it was